nkofo ebu nkofo faso with paper tracing.
Yeah, so for now everything is set. Everything is set. You can even look at the form. Those who fill the form, I have almost 3,000 students here.
And at the same time, special placement of the BECE and then the WASSCE to people are also frauding people. Say accurate apple.
So by Monday, we are going to submit the form. So if your name is not part, the paper tracing form, if your name is not part, try your possible best.
And then, the reason why you shouldn't fall for this trap, and these people, remember specific people like you should not fall into their trap, because they have been doing this when I was in high school. Some of my colleagues, they were a victim, and here I am here to educate you and tell you that you shouldn't fall for their trap. Stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friends and your loved ones so that they will not also become a victim of these people. Now I don't know, I used to make videos about, not used to, I'm still doing it. Yeah, videos BECE, WASSCE, and anything about education. I do videos about that on our platform, that is Karma Studios. And then people have added me to some certain WhatsApp groups about education, WASSCE, BECE, and a lot more. And there are a lot of groups I don't know them personally, but I feel like the things that these owners of this group, they are posting, they are trying to scam people, and I'm here to tell you that you shouldn't fall for their trap, as I said earlier. And these BECE candidates, they have written their exams, but the target I'm say paper tracing. Yes, what they know you have written your BECE paper, and there is nothing to worry about. You are just praying and waiting for your results, but people don't have good intention about you, and that's the reason why they are telling you for the paper tracing. Bring money so that they can trace your paper, and you shouldn't fall for this trap. Now, these are some of the things that I gather here, because if you fall for their trap, you are going to pay money for something that is not possible. Here are some of their pictures, the pictures that I have from their WhatsApp groups, and this one is showing me before and after. So when you look at the before, you will say that is B3, B2, C4, B3, C4, B2, B3. This is for the WASSCE. But what say we have upgrading. So after you are going to have A1, 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 B3, A1, 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 B3. Look at this. This is what they are going to give you. So if you don't look carefully, you will think, Charlie, it is possible. Some of my colleagues are victim. When we wrote our NAP test, they told us that they are doing paper tracing. We should pay 150 cedis. I didn't pay. Most of my friends, they paid because they were having the money at that time, and they were saying, if you pay your master and he's going to do, they lied. The results came, and those who didn't perform in the exam, so nothing changed. Now let me take you through another thing. You see, you look at these pictures. Mukacho say paper upgrading. Paper upgrading. You are freezing the thing. I don't know by what can you do? And yet, they do paper upgrading, and I don't know how they are going to do it, because the wire office, very tight. Everything, like when the thing is placed on their portal, nothing can be changed. I just say inner person who works in WAEC, and they are not common people that you see outside. People can be related to WAEC and confirm being able to me claim to be working with WAEC, but not official workers. They can have access to these WAEC offices. If you are branch or if you are you can say Takrade, Cape Coast. You see, don't fall for their trap. They are taking your money, and they cannot help you at all. At the end of the day, we speak about Koshim. Let me show you a lot more pictures. And this is, they are telling you that subject fees. The subject fees are as follows, and they are telling you, say, with the WASSCE, they are going to help you. So six or more subjects, you are going to pay 800.74 Ghana cedis for papers. Apo. If you want a porno, if you have 6 or more papers, able to 800 cedis. Now I'm the upon amount 5 subject is 759.11 Ghana cedis. So that is almost 760 Ghana cedis. And 4 subject is 715 Ghana cedis. 3 subject is 665.61 Ghana cedis. And we have 3 subject that is 665, 2 subjects 635.33 pesos, and 1 subject is 604.63 Ghana cedis. Paper, don't fall for the trap, because they will come, no, you pass it through, and I make a choice say any good, and I will not advise you to pay money for something that doesn't work or that is not possible. Call me who so be that. Yeah, I've been doing this thing for a while now. Me who a single person about under my comment section, a single person what tagging me, okay, I've done this and it has worked for me. I don't know. The last time I was in my office, and someone came to me and he was like, okay, main check it ni wasi resource man ni we bu UK na amuso mu hia ni wasi resource na wa faili eti obi so obey resource upgrading nti main check man na me top watch online na me check man e check here na or compare 19 hwan mo check here na e same thing hwe change no nipa na gen 4000 so oyedmu wa office from the money gone, the person same resource is on the portal. It is not easy. Okay? When it comes to this wire thing with the printing or with the soft copy with my figures just say PDF or not there for you can see it, but it will not reflect on the portal. Say matters now you can use Photoshop, Adobe Acrobat, PDF editor, then the edit very simple. With my use Microsoft Word 13, 19, 16 and the years are editing in next I send you PDF. It is a normal thing to do if a person have the knowledge about how to edit PDF files. Very simple, but to reflect on the portal, they will take your money and they will leave you blind. Don't fall for this trap. Let's talk more. And then you see, this is something they just posted on their listing, on their platform. That is their WhatsApp group, and they're telling parents who would like their wards to attend one of the best senior high schools in Ghana. So this is the special posting and a special placement into Ibia resource what you schools but Ibia abandon schools buy but any school papa Ibia school the school of his or her choice in where into if you want a Ibia this specific school, I will advise you when it comes. That's what person or Adisade College, you yourself go to Adisade Bankophobia, so they are going to take your money. And this is what they are saying. If you want the choice, your sons or your wards choice of school, go through them. Jesus Christ. You shouldn't go through them before you can go to the school. The school is there. Go to the administration. Admit what they will admit you based on your reasons why you want that school. So what I say. And you see, if you will need the WASSCE papers before you write your exams, make an arrangement for them as early as possible, because on the exams day, the probability of me not being able to attend to some messages is high, since the number of chats will increase. Attention would be paid much to only those who will follow my terms and conditions. Please take note, when you know a scam, they are just causing attention on the highway. Don't fall for their trap. 2025 BECE special placement protocol will be available. Parents who would like their wards to attend one of the best. This is what I told you earlier. Don't fall for this. There is no special placement to be able to. Because you have to print the placement forms out from the you can say CSS, PSS, portal, so computer selection and placement system. You print their forms from their portal. We just say a special question. You check it and check. It will not happen. Don't fall for this trap, because I think last year when it came, people were complaining. Obis were special posting and Mr. Special placement. Please check it again. Check it, because that time it was free. Nanado made it free. And top watcher. So you can check as many as you want. People were calling, please check it for me. Over checking that same school so don't fall for these people. Don't fall for their trap. They are all they are scammers. They just want money and they are hungry. If you fall for them, it's up to you. And resource upgrading, you can want some that people are frauding people and saying more resource upgrade. They do resource upgrading. Now I have a video here. Let's watch that video. The person was saying, say, there is
Yeah, so for now, everything is set. Everything is set. You can even look at the form. Those who fill the form, I have almost 3,000 students here. So by Monday, we are going to submit the form. So if your name is not part, the paper tracing form, if your name is not part, try your possible best to be part before it's too late. Yeah, before it's too late. Try your possible best.
So that video that you read is is the person is telling us why paper tracing. What try we results no one says no call. If you want to trace it, na opposite you come a specific person. Na say ni pay the ebia me na me connection man me trace people no na mahwe the way you see mark no ebia o otro ebia come junction D primary A GGHSA ye ko mark no ebia sola me trace ya ko sola me ko nipa kro mark na ma contact nipa no me trace ka man so asumesi we am small boy nti misrewa everybody, it's a lie. You will not even know where the paper is going. You can write maybe in western of the book could be a northern region and upper east. So how are you going to know the person who is marking your paper? Paper tracing. People are using their mind on the hard way. So these are the things that I really want us to talk about today, because I feel like people are frauding people and they are using the tactical analysis to deceive people on the highway and take money from these innocent souls. Because I know victims of these people. Most of the people that came, that come under my comment section to comment, saying say they know a lot of people they feel like they are not worth trusting. You cannot trust them. You cannot pay your money to them, because at the end of the day you're not going to see any results, but your money is gone. Bear in mind, the only thing you can do for paper tracing, don't trace your paper. When it comes and it's no good, you do your off deck, or you do re-registration and you write the WASSCE or the BECE again. Simple as ABC. Results upgrading. Me who be that. Idea you who ye no so that we ye ni one that century wunya. Say it is good because me who. So why? And I've seen people complaining to say they have done that and it didn't it didn't reflect, and I say it didn't happen. So this is my little advice to the people out there. Just be careful, because before we bring idea Hi Karma Studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If it is the first time, kindly give us a like, subscribe to our platform on YouTube, and don't forget to follow us on all the social media handles. Thanks for joining us today. You're finally out.
To be part before it's too late. Yeah, before it's too late. Try your possible best